Hey everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add Yelp reviews for your site in Squarespace. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you will have it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company with a lot of widgets, and one of them is Yelp reviews. So let's just click sign up for free and sign up with the Facebook, sign up with the Google, and you can choose which one you like. And then just click here login. Now you can just write here Yelp and just click here Yelp reviews, and you can choose between reviews widget, carousel, slider, grid. We are going to leave with the reviews widget. Continue. Now you just paste the URL here, and when you have it, you can change the layout and review style. Let's just click save. You can change the colors and everything. Before the code will appear, you will see the plan. You can start with the light one if you don't have any views on your site, or go with the basic or pro. I recommend going with the pro or basic if you get more views on your site. You can upgrade it anytime, and also you get a 14-day money back guarantee. So let's copy the code here, and let's just click here and let's just add code, and let's just apply. So as you can see, we got it, Yelp reviews. Pretty cool, right? But yeah. So you can also play around it, how it works, and I recommend adding the code, adding the table or reviews between two spacers. That's the most important thing. So thank you everybody, have a great day and see you. Goodbye. By the way, check all applications. If you like more applications, just upgrade it to the better version and you will be fine. See ya.